Hi there, this is Jovision speaking. If you are a very hands-on or creative person, we have good news for you. This is our LPR module with 4K fixed lens, white and IR light. Also, we have weekend RS485, alarm in and out, and other interface for you to meet your various needs. Most importantly, our built-in high-accuracy algorithm supports more than 50 countries and regions' license plates. We are also constantly adding more and keeping it up to date. It's no big deal for module installations. Find your ideal case, and no matter the materials, shapes, or colors, just 4 screws. Connect it to the cable you have. Now we are good to go.